In this video, we prepped the 1995 Eagle Talon TSI for the first RallyCross race of the year. We picked up snow tires, a new muffler, and a few other things for the car. Comment down below if you guys are rally racing this year, and if so, with what car. Also, don't forget to subscribe to follow our 2020 rally season and future videos of us working on the car. Enjoy.
Nice. So this muffler was a 2.5 inch.
Yep, it's a 3-inch exhaust down to the 2.5 muffler. I just want it quieter because some neighbors and trying to daily drive it. But now that it's the race day, about to be.
Oh baby, 3-inch bullet. Damn.
It's not bad.
Sweet.
It's almost identical on both ends, so.
Yep, I'll match the exhaust perfect. A nice 3-inch.
Alright.
Oh, she's getting there. She's about free.
Damn, it's impressive. It was holding on.
I know, it's in there good. There, she's free. Oh,
I have a little exhaust leak, but
it's gonna sound rowdy.
in case you guys are wondering where this stuff came from, mufflers are just off of Amazon. Pretty cheap purchases. And then the exhaust clamps are just down the road at O'Reilly's. It's something fancy. Just want to give the car a cleaner sound without dropping a few $100s. Down the road, I do want to grab a full exhaust. Something that I can be a little more proud of. But for now, this will have to do. Last thing we're doing today is looking at the plugs. Looking at the plugs will give you a good indication of how your car is running, meaning too rich or too lean. All 4 of the Talon's plugs looked great. Last thing I'm going to leave you guys with today is a comparison of the mufflers. So be sure to stay tuned. We got more content coming. Next time on Shift Addicts, the rally car gets a few test runs out back.
Baby!